Kiwi's going at it there. Just thought I'd hop on and share that too. This is Timeless Crochet and Budgie Life. I like doing these little quick videos just for the heck of it, you know. I need to get them some more of those hay balls, whatever you call them. It's trying to get all that apart. It won't take too long. I probably should move that closer to the perch. I'll do that later, I think. If I don't forget. So this morning they were eating great, and now he's playing with his one last little ball of hay. This looks like hay, huh? Not sure what it is exactly. And they've got their water right there. Early morning bird watching. I'm very blessed to have these guys. I love them so much. And I love my hubby for bringing them into my life. Spirit, did you find your water? Because I moved it. It's right there. Kiwi found it. There you go. There you go. There you go. Let him get a drink too. Come on now. Share. I don't have any more bowls right now. They're sizing each other up. There. That's what I thought. Kiwi's or Spirit said, get the heck out of here. That's his spot to poop. When you're a bird, everywhere is a bathroom. It's funny. Hi, Kiwi. Hi, Kiwi. Pretty girl. You're so pretty. Hi. What you doing? Hi. Spirit, the water's right there. Are you waiting to go back for more, Kiwi? They've been doing a little bit of the mating stuff when they feed each other stuff. Recently, and about 5 minutes ago, no, half an hour ago. The last time I was in here, anyway. All right, guys, get your water, Spirit. These birds are smart. They know what to do. Guys, I'll do quick videos today. Not bad. Oh, I was gonna say, I caught Spirit sitting on that swing right there, and he was actually pushing it with his head, making it go faster and faster and faster. First time I seen him do that, he's pushing the swing. So cute. All right. I'm gonna go back to sleep. So, all right, everyone. Thanks for stopping by. Please like, subscribe, and share. Timeless Crochet and beautiful budgies. Oh, that's more sounds. So pretty. Your mouth is so dry. Uh-huh. See there? She's talking to him. So cute. Alright guys, we'll give you some peace. See you in the next one. Bye for now.